going to be reviewing some of the best cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I did try to get different kinds of cases so everybody should see something that suits their taste. Without further ado, let's get to it. The first case on the list is from Rinke, a brand that I've grown to like since my S10 days, Air S from Rinke. In here we have some coupons here, 20% off. I'm going to give that away. Just quickly put that on the phone. Also, I do have a screen protector on the phone, so we're going to see what cases are screen protector friendly. That's what it looks like. It does look nice, a simple case. Buttons are clicky, cutouts look precise, and to be honest, I don't really like it a lot. I think it's too simple for me, but if that's your style, yeah, go for it. But it does look nice, clean, and it's okay, I guess. Moving on to the next case, this is also a case from Rinke, the Fusion X. It's easily one of my favorites. Remove protective film, so I'll just quickly do that. Go ahead and put that in here. This is what it looks like. We have Rinke written here, and I don't know, it doesn't have any lip here in front. It has some lip at the top and some at the bottom, but not really lots. The buttons, they're not clicky, but they are responsive. Cutouts look precise enough. Doesn't look like you have a problem. So if you're into this camel feel, I mean, I guess this is for you. Really nice. One of my favorite cases. Now moving on to the next case. I've always wanted to try a case from Caseology Vault. In here it says, welcome to the club. We're happy to have you, Caseology. I'm really happy to try your case also. Slide that in. This is not screen protector friendly, so beware. Caseology does sell screen protectors, so you might want to get one from them. It does look nice with the little Caseology logo here. I really like that touch. Really like how this looks up here. The buttons are not clicky, but they are okay. But it does have a little lip. It does have some lip to it. Cutouts are precise. I like it. Feels really nice in the hand. Feels really nice, but you want to know the type of glass you use on this. Taking it out is relatively easy. That's it. Our next case is another case from Caseology Legion. Really excited to try their cases. Same thing here. Welcome. Thank you. Really nice. This looks really premium. Legion something. Oh, it just looks good. And it's a dual layer case, as you can see here. There's the hard plastic and then the TPU. Putting it in is relatively easy. I think this looks nice with the hard plastic back, the TPU around like a bumper. This seems to be more glass friendly, even though it's got some lip. It's basically the same kind of lip it has with the Vault. Buttons feel good. They're not clicky, but they are good and responsive. Cutouts are precise, very nice. Really high quality premium feeling case, and I think this is the best case I have seen so far today. Also very screen protector friendly, very nice to come out. Also, I'm digging the Legion case. Next we move to my favorite cases, and of course SpeedGen cases are my best. This is the Ultra Hybrid from SpeedGen. This is a clear case. This is the case you want to get if you want to show off your new iPhone. Probably if you have that dope green color or probably a gold color or something. The matte black isn't really much to look at, but it's still nice. It's not lifting up my glass in any way. It's got some lip to it. Yes. Buttons are clicky. Feel really nice clicking them buttons. Cutouts always precise. SpeedGen cases are really good quality. I always recommend them to everybody. And this is kind of difficult to get out, but yeah, that's it. Now to my all-time favorite, rugged armor from SpeedGen. I buy this case for every single phone. The SpeedGen rugged armor is just the best case I've ever used. It's lightweight, it's nice. We've got the SpeedGen logo there, some carbon fiber fill here, some nice detailing there, some lines, and of course we've got the cutouts to show off your Apple logo because you pay to play, so I guess you might as well play and show people you've got an iPhone. But yeah, it's really nice, and I love this case, really easy to get on. Nice clicky buttons, cut out of every speech and case, always really precise. It feels really like a glove for the phone. If you don't know what case to get, just get this speech and case, especially this rugged armor case. You can never go wrong because it's really nice, very, very protective. I've dropped my phone in this particular case before and it's absolutely fine, nothing wrong with my phone. So even other phones, I've dropped some other phones with this case before, this rugged armor case, and always fine, never a problem. Anyways guys, that's been the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and even more importantly, I hope that you saw something you liked here. Either way, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.